Hello and welcome back to the Shop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we're diving into a really helpful feature in Odoo 19 purchase, the Suggest Quantities tool. This feature recommends how much and which products to order from your vendors based on past sales, current stock levels, and demand. It's a smart way to keep your inventory balanced without over-ordering. So let's jump into Odoo and see it in action.
First, let's open the Purchase app and create a new request for quotation. Select your vendor. Here I go with ready-made. In the Products tab, click on the Catalog button. This will show you all the products available from that vendor. In the top left corner, you'll notice the Suggest button. Let's click on it. This opens a pop-up window called Suggest Quantities based on sales and demands. First, you'll see the field Replenish For. This is simply the number of days you want your stock to cover. Next is Based On field. Here you choose the historical period Odoo should analyze, like the last 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, or even the same month from the previous year. And finally, we have the growth factor. This lets you scale demand up or down. For example, if you expect sales to increase by 20%, you just set it to 120. Odoo then calculates the average daily demand from deliveries, manufacturing orders, or subcontracting resupplies in that period. It multiplies that number by your replenished days and growth factor to suggest the quantity you should order. For example, let's say in the last 30 days we delivered 10 office chairs, and now our on-hand quantity is 0. If you want to replenish stock for the next 15 days, Odoo suggests ordering 5 units. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's try it out. I'll click the Suggest button again, and in the pop-up I'll set Replenish For to 15 days. For the historical period, we'll choose 30 days, and since we don't expect any changes in sales, we'll keep the growth factor to 100%. Now let's hit Compute. Odoo automatically suggests the quantities for each product in demand. In this case, it recommends buying 5 chairs to cover the next 15 days, just as expected. From here, you can still adjust the quantities or add more products manually. To do that, remove the In the Order filter, and you'll see the vendor's full product list. Let's add a few more items, and once everything looks good, click back to quotation to confirm the RFQ. Back in the Products tab, you can now see all the items we added. Once you're satisfied with the suggested list, just follow the usual process. Confirm the order and receive the products into stock. Before we wrap up, let me share a couple of best practices. First, make sure your vendor price lists are always up to date. That way, Odoo can calculate your order values correctly. And second, don't rely on the system alone. Always apply your own business judgment. Things like promotions, seasonality, or local events can shift demand in ways the system can't predict. And that's it. With the Suggest Quantities tool, you'll save time, avoid stockouts, and make smarter purchasing decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Shop channel for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.